Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 4, Lesson 28. We've seen clauses act as adjectives and adverbs. Today we meet the last clause type, one that acts as a noun, the noun clause. We've seen clauses act as adjectives and adverbs. The last kind acts as a noun. A noun clause is a subordinate clause that does the job of a noun. Whoever takes the last cube should refill the tray. The clause, whoever takes the last cube, is the subject of the sentence. Who should refill the tray? Whoever takes the last cube. So a noun clause is a whole clause acting as a single noun. Just like a noun clause can fill 4 roles. As a subject, whatever you want is fine with me. As a direct object, I know how penguins swim. The clause receives the action of know. As the object of a preposition, we worried about what would happen next. The clause follows about. And as a predicate noun, renaming the subject. The mystery is who left the note. So anywhere a noun can go, a noun clause can go too. Noun clauses begin with a familiar-looking set of words. There's that, what, whatever, and which, who, whoever, and whom, and when, where, why, and how. Notice these overlap with the words that start adjective and adverb clauses, so you can't rely on the opening word alone. The real giveaway is the job. A noun clause is acting as a noun, a subject or object, not modifying another word. Here's a clean test for a noun clause. Try replacing the whole clause with it or something. I know how penguins swim. Replace the clause. I know it. That works, so how penguins swim is a noun clause. It's standing in for a noun. Compare this with adjective and adverb clauses, which modify another word. A noun clause doesn't modify anything. It is a part of the sentence, a subject or object. So if it or something can take its place, you've got a noun clause. Let's step back and see all 3 subordinate clauses together. An adjective clause modifies a noun. An adverb clause modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb. And a noun clause doesn't modify at all. It is a noun, filling a noun's role. That's the big distinction. Adjective and adverb clauses modify another word, while a noun clause replaces a noun. 3 clause types, 2 that modify and 1 that stands in. Let's put it together. Luann wondered why the car was so muddy. The clause, why the car was so muddy, try the swap. Luann wondered it. That works, so it's a noun clause. What job is it doing? It's the direct object of wondered. It's what she wondered. Noun clause, direct object, identified. Let's practice. Each sentence has a noun clause. Decide its job. Subject, direct object, object of a preposition, or predicate noun. Pause and try before I answer. Whatever you want is fine with me. The clause, whatever you want, is the subject of the verb is. It's what's fine. So the answer is subject. Will someone please tell me why the light is on? The clause, why the light is on, is the direct object of tell. It's what should be told. So the answer is direct object. We were worried about what would happen to the old center. The clause, what would happen, follows the preposition about, so it's the object of that preposition. So the answer is object of a preposition. 3 more. Use the swap test to confirm the noun clause, then name its job. Pause and try each. The assumption is that we will reach the coast by Friday. The clause renames the subject, assumption, after the linking verb is. So the answer is predicate noun. That the team will make the finals is the player's hope. The clause is the subject of the verb is. It's the thing that is their hope. So the answer is subject. I know how penguins swim. The clause how penguins swim is the direct object of know. It's what I know. So the answer is direct object. Let's bring it together. A noun clause does the job of a noun, serving as a subject, direct object, object of a preposition, or predicate noun. It begins with words like that, what, who, whoever, when, why, and how. Words that also start other clauses, so judge by the job. The quick test. Try swapping in it or something. And remember the big picture. Adjective and adverb clauses modify a word, while a noun clause replaces a noun. Great work! In Lesson 29, we'll sort sentences by their purpose.